This video is for one of my team members. I'm showing him to do something the right way so we can make money. So this is a direct money video, the money action that we take using AI. And if you follow that, the same process, you will get similar results, inshallah, as well. So here's the story. Go somewhere you want to go. So even on vacation.
Because I know that this is an investment for me.
This is a new member of our 99% Done For You program. And the reason we have such a high success rate because we take care of our members. The first step is to have an onboarding call, and it's not just another team member giving a quick overview about the program. No. It's always me working one-on-one with a new student. I welcome them personally. I dive deep, help them find out what they are actually looking for, what they want to achieve, what they have tried, why failed, what's stopping them from getting results, what's stopping them from taking action, and what is holding them back from getting results. I give them realistic, actionable advice from my personal experience of making 8 figures through the business I do, digital product creation, affiliate marketing, etc. Guys, I planned for a pretty long video packed with value, education, and real case studies, exactly the steps that we take and we teach our students to make real money. And you, my friend, haven't liked the video yet. May I ask why? Come on, give me some inspiration. Like this video, share with your friends and family, and make sure you subscribe to the channel. Switch on the notification bell button, because this is just the beginning. We upload a new training every single day, and you want to get notified by YouTube. And the only way to do that is to subscribe to our channel, and make sure you ask your friends and family to subscribe as well. And in this way, you also help us get 10,000 subscribers in next 90 days. So go ahead, like, share, and subscribe. Let's go. Now, this student was extremely excited, and she showed her joy multiple times on the call. And she explained why the program was amazing and the coaching call was amazing. But if I just give you a 1 hour long video, you will probably not be able to watch it because the exciting parts are scattered across the whole video. So what I wanted to do is exactly what podcasters do. Let me show you an example.
That is the stupidest thing you can ever do.
Just watch these few seconds.
This is the most important thing for someone who's just trying to grow their money.
So I learned this from my mother, and I actually built a whole company around it. Yeah, there she is. So I haven't seen that picture in a while. Damn. I mean, what she did, the performance was extraordinary. And with that, she put my brother and I through college. She took care of her family when they fell on hard times. When I saw the results, I said, that's it. That's how I'm going to invest for the rest of my life.
So talk me through this. I want as much detail as possible.
Okay, let's start with this.
Kevin O'Leary, aka Mr. Wonderful, is the self-made millionaire and investor
who's built and sold companies for billions.
There's a lot of people don't like me for my bluntness. I don't care. Because there's people that don't think ahead and find themselves mired in debt, but then pissing away money, spending $28 for lunch. I mean, that's just stupid.
What about the house?
The mistake that people make is they buy too much house. Never let the mortgage and the cost of maintaining the house be more than 1/3 of your income.
You know, how much does the person that you fall in love with have an impact?
Are you kidding? It's everything. And I did some research, and most marriages can survive infidelity. They can't survive financial stress. But if everybody that's listening does this one thing, you will have over $1.5 million.
Kevin, can anybody be an entrepreneur?
No, only 1/3 of people can become successful entrepreneurs because there's a couple of things that you must achieve to be successful. First,
You know what? I am hooked and I want to watch the rest of the podcast. It's 2 hours long because they put the interesting parts at the beginning. That's called hook. And they put all the interesting parts in one place to hook as many people as possible. And that's why this video got 3.9 million views in just 1 month. Can you imagine that? Like a 2 hour long podcast, 2 middle-aged guys, 1 crazy old super bald, another middle-aged, blabbering about life, rumbling about a business, entrepreneurship, la 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 la, and people are watching. Even I want to watch, and it starts from the hook. Now, I am excited about my program and my students. They are my life. So I want that kind of hooks in my video. How can I get it? Let's watch what we have got so far. I have given instruction to my team member, and this is what he has got. 8K. Let's try 8K. Which means
8K.
Your mind is ready to believe that you can make up to 8K. You have done it. No one can take this experience from you.
Idealistic. You are not like bookies that you are sticking on what item to item in your list.
Oh my God, you are learning everything. Digital journey. I spent 12K and I'm broke now. I will be interested if time comes that I can see revenue coming. I will invest more one-on-one, expand and grow. From one work, they have to switch their mood to another work. So from today, we decided the daughter will do editing and my son will create the images and the voiceover. And he corrected 3 things that I was doing not so good. So he made an improvements. He suggested me do these 3 things in that way. I did that. In 3 weeks, I made my 10,000 back. It gives you certainty of support, certainty of traffic, certainty of sales and money. But in order to enter this circle, it's very hard to make a lot of sales for affiliates, attract them to you. So when you launch something, they will promote. What was that? Honestly, I didn't like it much because a lot of things were added that I didn't want to add. I specifically told him not to add, but probably he didn't understand. And second, the hooks were not really the best of the best hooks. So here's what I want to do. I want to use the transcript. So I go to the transcript, or I will just copy the video URL, go to a third-party software, free, and get the video transcript. I've been using this. This is a good one. You can use it too. Tactic.io. Go to tools, YouTube_transcript, and that's where we get the full transcript of the full system. So I'm going to copy this whole thing, and then I'll go to ChatGPT. And I know 1 hour transcript might be a little too much. So first, I will open my mind. Hey, this is a transcript of an interview with one of my students. Basically, it's an onboarding call. And I do deep dive and turn it into a one-on-one coaching session, making it extremely valuable, problem solving. So it becomes an experience of life for the student. And I try to make it memorable. Considering all this, first of all, I want to find the most wow places that I can select and put them at the beginning of this interview as a series of hooks, just like podcasters do to hook their viewers and listeners. So I need to find out where I was sharing extremely valuable sections that might hook the audience immediately. Also, I want to share where the student was extremely excited, happy, and delighted about the coaching call, about our program, about me, about our promotional methods, about the webinar she watched before she joined the program. I want you to find all the sections, all the clips like this. Must be short, must be 1 to 3 seconds long each. But first of all, I want you to create a prompt for me that I can use it over and over again for these kind of videos or coaching calls and find hooks immediately. If you want to know about my audience that I want to attract, then take the person I interviewed as an ideal customer, analyze that person and create her customer avatar. Now go do your job and create the prompt for me. You see where I'm going. I asked ChatGPT to create the prompt. Now I don't trust ChatGPT because this long text may crash ChatGPT. So I want to copy this little instruction and hit enter and see where it goes. Okay, looks like it's okay. It's working. So let's check what happens. I want a prompt that I can use over and over. Then I will use that prompt here and see the results. If the results are good, I will be happy and say go. And I will save the prompt, use it over and over. But if the results are not good, then I will say, hey, these 1, 2, 3 ABC are the problems. You should solve it and rewrite the prompt for me. So we'll go back and forth, do what we want to do, and also get a complete prompt. Wow, it is a great prompt. This kind of prompt is not possible for us to write. Wow, this is good. So here is why this works for you. Immediate montage hooks forces the model to extract micro clips, 1 to 3 seconds, that actually cut cleanly and stack well. Avatar from the interviewee. It turns your guest into the template buyer. So your next cold open attracts their clones. What? Editor ready. Tables with time codes, captions, B-roll, and policy notes. Mean your team can drop straight into the timeline. Brand safe. Okay, all good. Now ChatGPT is asking, want me to run it for this transcript now? I will say yes, go. Okay, great. So the audience snapshot, 3 to 5 bullets. What they want to hear in 10 seconds. This is different from other scams. It's step by step. Support is real. And your first $500 to $1,000 is achievable in 30 days with 2 hours per day. Wow, these are good picks. Top objections. I have tried courses before, they didn't work. I don't have time. I can't afford to keep buying programs. Haha, it looks so good so far. I mean, don't they say so far so good? Yeah. Customer avatar name Maria. Not really Maria, but Let's say it's Maria. Like the complete details. What? Now there are a couple of interesting things, okay? Short-term money goal, $500 to $1,000 online. That's real. Second is long-term goal, retire spouse, prove online biz isn't a scam, build team, and passive income. Core pains, spend a lot of money on failed programs, skeptical spouse or friends, time constraints, and unclear plan. Buying triggers, step-by-step structure, proof of other members succeeding, clear traffic system, responsive mentor support. Red flags, overly long training. Yay, that's bad for me. 1 hour plus webinars, lack of live presence from seller, and unclear time per day commitment. What? Dream outcome, prove to husband it's legit. 8K, months possible, freedom to leave teaching. And objections, I don't have time, I have been scammed before, I don't know traffic, I am broke after courses. Is $500 realistic? 5 hooks angle, your first $500 is closer than you think. Alright, awesome. Now let's go the micro hook candidates. 1 to 3 seconds, editor ready. So here are the places from 34 minutes 12 seconds to 34 minutes 14 seconds. Okay, second, this and this and this and this and this. Here we go. I want to retire him. This will be my first online income. I have spent 12, la 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 la. This is so good. Okay, now your top 12 final hooks ranked. I have spent this, I'm broke. Okay, I have la 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 la. And then 10 to 15 second cold open script. Now ChatGPT is asking, do you want me to expand with the full 30 hook candidates with timestamps so your editor has maximum choice? Oh yes, yes, go. So there are 30 hook candidates, right? I think this could be great. So here are the updated top final hooks ranked. Same ranking as earlier, but now editor can swap any candidate. For example, cold open montage script. Editor ready. First 3, then 1, then 4, then 9, then 2. Let's go. First 3 is I have spent 12K and I'm broke. Then 1, even on vacation I'm hustling. Then 9, 2 hours a day is enough. Then 2, this will be my first income online. Then 7, I can't believe this is real. Great. Now for my editor, you see, this is the exact 3 to 6 word pool, but you should actually watch it yourself how long you can take. Not too much and not too less. Example, this one shows 10 minutes 0 seconds to 10 minutes 3 seconds. 3 seconds is usually 9 to 10 words. So see for yourself how much should be taken. And let's try this order and see how it feels like. This is the order basically. This is how it will look like and it will feel like and sound like. Alright, there were some places where the student was excited. She liked what we do, she liked our style, etc., and I wanted to add them. I asked for it and I got all the places. Now I asked, hey, this doesn't look good, so we need to mix things up. And now we got 2 versions. One is only testimonial, another one is praise, authority, and goals. So now it sounds like I saw the value immediately, and then I have done 900 of these calls, and then I am really amazed at you that I have spent 12K and I'm still broke. So beginner friendly, step by step. Then I want to retire him. You are so human, so natural. 2 hours a day is enough. You blew my mind, exceeded expectations. I feel comfortable now. Who can stop you now? 7 out of 5. These are now good, but I need the timestamps. Great. There were no timestamps before. Now I asked to add timestamps, and for every single hook, every single line, we got timestamps so we can find them. That's good. Now I want you to review the prompt you wrote earlier. So now I'm getting the final prompt. This is the final prompt, guys. So lovely. That's amazing. So my wonderful editor, thank you so much, brother. You took action. So this is for my editor. Please keep this in the video. I want to praise you. I want to praise your work in front of the audience. You did well, really well. That was amazing. You started, you did something, and that's why I could check, I could offer, I could suggest improvements. And here we are. We have something solid now. If you were scared, you didn't take action, or you delayed, or you were stubborn, then this wouldn't happen. So congratulations. This is your success, my brother. Keep up the good work. Guys, if you want to see how we run our digital marketing business using AI, automation, and how we help 9-to-5ers and business owners who have maximum 2 hours per day to try a side hustle and make high-ticket affiliate commissions like this using a 99% done for you system, then watch the free training from this website, moshbarry.com, or click the link in the description or click the link in the bio and watch the free training. This free training will transparently show you everything. If you still have questions, feel free to DM me on Instagram. I'll be more than happy to answer all your questions. Like it, share it. I transparently showed you how we work together as a team, and you will be a part of the team if you decide to join our program. If not, absolutely no problem. If you don't like it, at least you will learn what we do. So watch this free training. It's completely free to watch. There should be no one should be able to stop you from from watching our free training. Go watch it. And if you have questions, ask me on Instagram. But for now, we're bye-bye. See you in the next one. For more money techniques, watch these videos, and we'll see you on the next one.